Alright guys, now we have this solar light mounted right here. We got one light facing out over here, two lights facing direct right over here. So, show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. Alright guys, we're going to show you the motion light as we go out here. Boom! As you guys can see, super bright. I mean, it just lights up the whole area. Like, literally lights up the whole area. So, as you can see, we love it. Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, we're checking out this intelligent safety LED center light. Let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Alright guys, so this is a 2-pack and it's fully adjustable, so you can rotate the panels however you want. I mean, you can even have it facing behind if you want. 3 different separate lights. Here's the motion sensor light. This is a 2-pack. This is the solar light. You can adjust that as well. I mean, the solar panel, guys. Technically it's a solar light, but it's a solar panel at the top. So on the back here you have your mounting brackets. They do provide you with the screws and a mounting decal. So all you have to do is put this decal on and then put your screws right through and you're good to go. Alright guys, your on-off switch is under here, and to test this, all you have to do is cover the panel completely. So just put something on top of the panel, and underneath here you press the power. Now it might still be getting some light. Alright guys, might take a little time, but this is how you're able to test it. You got 3 modes. You have off, you have full bright, you have medium, and then you have dim. So just make sure you cover the panel or go somewhere that's completely dark, and then you can test out the lights. So now all we do is mount them, and that's it. It's that simple. Make sure you have it on the on position so the light comes on. If you don't know, you know, you guys can just install it now and then wait till nighttime and then come and press the power button to set it whatever you want. So that's up to you guys if you want to do it at night. For us, we're just going to do it right now. All right guys, so for us, we're mounting it in right on our tree to face our door. So actually we probably want to go a little higher than this. So the decal bracket that they provide you, you just simply stick it on where you want it. Let's go up here, and then you just drill your screws right through the hole. All right, then you just pull the paper off, the decal off, and let's get it on. All right guys, now we have this solar light mounted right here. We got 1 light facing out over here, 2 lights facing direct right over here. So, show you guys what it looks like at nighttime. All right guys, we're going to show you the motion light as we go out here. Boom! As you guys can see, super bright. I mean, it just lights up the whole area. Like, literally lights up the whole area. So, as you can see, we love it.